Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and swap your Ethereum to Solana on your Phantom wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, you cannot go ahead and do this method inside the Phantom wallet application right here. The only thing that we could go ahead and do that is outside our decentralized network. So first things first, you have to go ahead and make sure that you already have your Ethereum balance right here. And after that, just go ahead and click on the gear icon. And inside the gear icon, you will then be able to see the active networks. Just go ahead and make sure that the Ethereum network is enabled right here. Go ahead and click on this slider and then you should be good to go. Well, the next thing to do now is to go ahead and open up applications like Binance or the OKX like this one. So let's just go ahead and open up our Binance right here. And inside Binance, you want to go ahead and transfer your Ethereum tokens right here on this account. So let's just go ahead and click on deposit right here. Click on deposit crypto. And we are transferring our Ethereum right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on Ethereum. And the network should be the Ethereum ERC20. Let's just go ahead and copy this address right here. Go back to the Phantom wallet. Click on our Ethereum balance. Click on send. And then you will be able to receive your balance right here through the Binance or the OKX account. After that, your Ethereum should be on your wallet right here. So let's just go ahead and click on wallets. Click on the spot and then you will be able to see all of your balance right here. Now inside your spot wallet, just go ahead and click on transfer. Choose your token right here. Since I don't have any Ethereum on my wallet, I'll just go ahead and choose one of my tokens, which is Clay. And from our spot wallet, we are going to send it to our funding wallet. So just go ahead and put the amount that you want to transfer. I'll just go ahead and click on max right here. Click on confirm transfer and now you will be able to locate your asset in the funding wallet right here. Once again, just go ahead and click your Ethereum. In our case, it is the Clay. So I'll just go ahead and click on Clay right here. Click on convert. And from Ethereum, we are going to convert it to a Solana. So just go ahead and click on Ethereum right here, which is ETH. Click on Solana. And you will be able to transfer your ETH for Solana right here. Go ahead and click on preview conversion and then you will be able to convert your Ethereum to Solana. Well, now the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and send your Solana token to your Phantom wallet. And after that, just go ahead and click on withdraw right here. Click on your asset. In our case, it is the Solana token. But since I don't have any Solana tokens, I'll just go ahead and use the Clay once more. Send via crypto network. And right here, you have to locate your Solana address right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on Solana. Click on receive, copy your address, go back to your OKC or Binance, paste your address right here, put your withdraw amount and then you should be good to go. Go ahead and click on withdraw and then you should be able to convert your Ethereum to Solana on your Phantom wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.